Hey everyone, we have a Crazy Aaron's Thinking Putty here today, and this one is Mystic Glacier. So this is a Phantom Thinking Putty, the 3.2 ounce size. And basically what these Phantom putties do, it's really cool. So obviously you can see the picture here of the putty, and it's kind of this light blue. But then you see these like little dark purple spots, and then also the outline here, that usually will show you the color it glows in the dark. So this one has two types of glow, essentially, which I think is just super interesting. So basically, when you put UV light on it, or sunlight, because that has, UV light in it, when you're in a bright room, it will turn purple. But when you put it in the dark, it turns green. And I don't know how they managed to do that, but it just blows my mind in the best way possible. It really does. So let's look at the back here really quickly, talking about the putty a little bit more. And let's just get right into this. So I do have for this one my glow charger. These come with many of the Phantom or glow putties. Not all of them, but some do. Read the package when you're ordering. It will say if it comes with this or not. It's just like a little, UV light here. And I have my big UV light here. So if you have any glow putties, definitely recommend buying one of these. It can be bought fairly expensive or inexpensively online. I think I paid 10 for this, but it's a pretty big one. You could get them cheaper for sure. But let's open this and take a look, because these are some of my favorite putties. I wish they made these still in 2023. Okay, so let's put that down there. But yeah, just look at that putty. I mean, right off the bat, I really love this, how just shiny it is and how sleek. It's like this very pastel light blue, has some glitter pieces in there. Let's get it out and take a closer look. Okay. Yeah, so really pretty putty. Nice texture. I would say it's about medium. So, the putties, again, they vary from soft to firm. This one's definitely medium, which in my opinion is always kind of the best of both worlds. Has nice stretchability, nice playability. Just feels good in the hands. Not too firm, not too soft. But I really love this, like, what color glitter is that? Is that blue? Yeah, it's like blue glitter. So I don't know if that's coming through on the camera perfectly. Oh yeah, you could kind of see it. But that is a blue glitter there. And then this putty is just like a grayish blue, like a periwinkle almost. And some crackles here as I'm playing with it. Okay, but let's get to that fun element of the glow. So let's put this pretty flat here on the surface. Put it down here. So here's my UV light. And right now I'm in a brightly lit room. So if I draw on this, you'll see it's going to turn purple. So it did green very quick, but now it is turning into that purple. See, look at, there's that purple. So let's make a little smiley face here. Really fun. I just get a kick out of these all the time. So yeah, purple there. We got the darkest purple up here. Let's try to get this one. Maybe we have to push our light in there pretty deep and do the same here. We'll hold it there a little bit more, because obviously the more you hold it on the putty, the more it's going to get the light into it. So I'm drawing a very crooked smiley face, but that's okay. I don't have this exactly flat either. But yeah, I mean, look at that. So it's purple. In the light, it's glowing. Like, that blows my mind. But let me go turn off the light and watch what happens with this now. How cool is that? Tell me that is not the best thing you've ever seen. To me, that is just amazing. I love that these have one color glow in the light and then another type of glow in the dark. That is just so cool. It's not even focusing here. Let's see if we can get the focus, the camera. A little bit. It's being a little bit tricky. Looks like a frog, doesn't it? I don't know if I'm going to get my camera to focus. At least not on the details. I mean, we're in a pitch black room here. But so cool. And now let me get my black light here. Where did I put it? I'm in the dark. So I'm going to fumble around here. I'm going to use this little UV light. Oh, there it is. It's back there. Okay. Okay, now look at this. So it's glowing green. Get both sides of it here. Why not? Doesn't take long to charge it up. And man, just look at how bright that is. It is so bright. I mean, it's lighting up my hands. You know, look at that. It's like you could guide your way with this. Very, very cool. Man. Very nice putty. But let me go now and turn the light back on. And remember, it was light blue when we first took it out. And now look, it's purple. Because we charged it with all that UV light, now it is purple. So it's starting to go back a little bit, you know, to its original light blue color. But it's mostly purple. And in fact, if I give it one more charge here with this, you know, it's going to be green at first. I've noticed that. But then it fades to that dark purple. Look at just, you get all the colors in there. You have a little bit of green here where it's kind of in the shadow. And if I use my hands, like, look how pretty that is. Kind of get all the colors in there. There's the purple, the light blue, the glow of the green, and the dark and the shadow of my hands. So yeah, one of my favorite putties, definitely top 5. I do hope they make these Phantom putties again, because they have one that's similar now. It's like a Ghost Riders, I believe it's called. But I don't think they glow in the dark. I think they just glow in the light, and they don't actually glow in the dark. So I really like the dual element of this. I mean, to me, again, that's just super cool. Really fun putty, but that is your Mystic Glacier. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, definitely would appreciate a like on this video and subscribe for more videos in the future. But that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you again soon.